Today's speaker is Amir Servi. He is a product manager in Edge and Deep Learning at Sony Semiconductor Solutions. Amir's specialty is leading successful product and R&D teams in computer vision and neural network acceleration for edge devices. Several of the companies, by the way, that Amir has worked in have had successful acquisitions, which is interesting to me, having worked in 5 startups. Desi was acquired by NVIDIA, right? Superwise by Bladder Technologies, right? And then AnyVision by Metropolis. I think there's a name change there someplace. But so a lot of acquisitions. So he definitely knows how to pick them. So he's going to talk about from enterprise to makers and driving the vision and AI innovation at the extreme edge. So please welcome Amir.
Thank you so much. Hi, everybody. Imagine a camera, a smart camera, where the sensor and the edge AI processor are not just working together, but are literally integrated into one sensor chip. I'm Amir Servi, product manager at Sony Semiconductor Solutions. Today, I'm excited to show how Sony is harnessing this technology to enable edge vision AI for both enterprise, using our AITRIOS platform for enterprise, as well as our community-focused collaboration with Ultralytics and Raspberry Pi to enable computer vision for all. A word about Sony Semiconductor Solutions. So everyone probably knows Sony. Sony has a broad group, but our specific company, Sony Semiconductor Solutions, focus specifically on developing cutting-edge image sensors to enhance everyday life. Fact is that Sony Semiconductors holds the largest share of sensors, image sensor market, with over 1.2 billion image sensors shipped every year. And just like Sony did with recreational photography, making high-quality imaging accessible to everyone, we are now doing the same for vision AI. We're simply transitioning from capturing beautiful images to enabling intelligence sensing, increasing situational awareness at the sensor level.